Whether you use a credit card or a debit card every day, there's a good chance you're making at least one of these mistakes right now. And these aren't small errors. They're quietly costing you real money every single month. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest mistakes people make with credit cards and debit cards in 2026 and exactly how to fix each one. By the end, you'll know which card to use, when to use it, and how to stop leaving money on the table. Let's get into mistake number 1. Mistake 1: using your debit card for everything. Most people default to their debit card for every purchase: groceries, online shopping, hotels, and gas stations. It feels safe because it's my own money, but that thinking is costing you. Here's the problem. When you swipe your debit card, you're directly exposing your bank account. If fraud happens, your actual money is gone, and getting it back can take weeks. But with a credit card, it's the bank's money at risk. You dispute the charge, they investigate, and your finances stay protected. That's called credit card fraud protection, and debit cards simply don't offer the same level. The fix: use your credit card for online purchases and big transactions. Pay it off in full each month, and you get the protection for free. Mistake 2: only paying the minimum balance. This one is probably the most financially damaging mistake on this list. You get your credit card bill, you see the minimum payment, and you think, that's all I need to pay. Wrong. The remaining balance starts accumulating interest, often between 20% to 45% annual percentage rate. That means a $500 purchase can quietly turn into $700 or more if you're only making minimum payments. This is how people fall into the credit card debt trap without even realizing it. The fix: always pay your full statement balance by the due date. If you can't afford to pay it off, you can't afford to buy it on credit. Mistake 3: treating your credit limit like income. Your bank gave you a $5,000 credit limit. That does not mean you have $5,000 to spend. It's borrowed money, and using too much of it creates 2 serious problems. First, the obvious one: interest charges pile up fast. But second, and this one surprises most people, spending more than 30% of your limit hurts your credit score. This is called your credit utilization ratio. A high ratio signals financial stress to lenders, which means worse loan terms and higher interest rates in the future. The fix: keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total limit. This single habit can meaningfully improve your credit score over time. Mistake 4: missing out on rewards and cashback. Every time you pay with your debit card, you earn nothing. Zero cashback. Zero reward points. Zero travel miles. You're making the same purchase but getting nothing back for it. Now compare that to a rewards credit card. The exact same grocery run, the exact same gas fill up, but now you're earning 2%, 3%, sometimes 5% cashback. Over a year, that adds up to hundreds of dollars money that goes straight back into your pocket. It's free money people leave behind every single day. The fix: find a cashback or rewards credit card that matches your spending habits, whether that's groceries, travel, or dining. Pay the full balance monthly, and those rewards cost you nothing. Mistake 5: not reviewing your statements. When was the last time you actually read through your credit card or bank statement? Most people never do, and that's exactly what fraudsters and sneaky subscription companies count on. In 2026, digital fraud, ghost subscriptions, and unauthorized charges are more common than ever. A $9.99 charge you don't recognize might seem small, but if it's been running for 12 months, that's $120 gone. Multiply that by 2 or 3 unknown charges, and you're looking at serious money lost. The fix: Spend 5 minutes every week reviewing your transactions. Turn on real-time spending alerts on your banking app. The moment you spot something unfamiliar, report it immediately to your bank. Outro plus call to action. So those are the 5 mistakes that are quietly draining your money in 2026, whether you use a credit card, a debit card, or both. To recap, stop using your debit card for everything. Always pay your full balance. Keep your credit utilization low. Start earning cash back and rewards. And review your statements every week. If you want me to cover the best credit cards of 2026 or how to build your credit score from scratch, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video saved you money, give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.